Hello again, and welcome to our fourth part of a five-part series, how to get rid of belly fat and increase your diabetes health, or I should say improve your diabetes health. So welcome again. I hope you've watched other videos because we've been covering some amazing steps that will get you the results that might have been elusive to you for years, whether that be to lose weight or improve your diabetes health. I'm talking about diabetes reversal, getting rid of medications. If you're type 1 diabetic, lowering your insulin needs. These steps are key. So let's go into it. The fourth step is my favorite actually, personally, because I've seen such powerful results with it. That's intermittent fasting, a period of fasting for I would say a minimum of 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. You can do even more than that, but that's a good place to start. And during that time of fasting, you're allowed to drink black coffee or tea during those hungry hours, when your stomach's grumbling, but preferably, water. And there's 3 reasons why intermittent fasting is so effective. Personally, I've lost 45 pounds, averaging about 1 to 2 pounds a week whenever I've done intermittent fasting to get to my ideal weight. And patients, friends, clients have experienced the same results. When it's done right, it works. But the 3 reasons why it's good for belly fat loss and diabetes reversal and improvement of diabetes in general is that, number 1, it causes you to put your body in a state of fat burning. How does it work? By controlling insulin and leptin. Insulin and leptin are the hormones that are responsible for fat storage, the storing of fat, energy balance, and appetite, how much you eat, how hungry you get. By decreasing these levels, intermittent fasting, unlike any other diet or meal plan or whatever you're following, this controls your body's weight and weight gain, weight loss, by controlling your hormones. No other lifestyle controls it as well. Intermittent fasting is key because it works much better than your typical calorie restricted diets. Number 2, the second reason why it's so effective is because it limits calories. Of course, it's possible to stuff your face for 8 hours, okay? And hopefully you don't do that. But when you're doing it, when you're following and practicing an intermittent fasting lifestyle, you're going to find that it's very easy to eat less calories, than you would on a typical diet, we'll go more into the details of calories in, calories out, how that works, and the science behind that. But needless to say, you're going to eat less, and you won't even notice it when you're doing intermittent fasting. The third reason why it works so well is one of my favorites, is because it causes a chemical process called autophagy. Autophagy is a fancy way of saying that your cells are basically repurposed and rebuilt for better use. So as we get older, our cells go through oxidative stress, they go through damage, they get old, which is why we get old. So intermittent fasting is the only lifestyle known to actually get you to look younger and live longer. I can't find a better reason, than that. Of course, it's great that it also helps you lose weight, burn that stubborn belly fat and improve your diabetes health. But come on, guys, who doesn't want to look young, and stay looking young? You got to be intermittent fasting, So those are the 3 reasons, and I would say this, start slow. How I started, and I do intermittent fasting every day now, and it's easy to me. But how I started in the beginning was just 1 day a week. Simply pick 1 day that's ideal for you, okay, and progress slowly from there. All right, so there you have it. Our 4th step can't be missed. For more, if you don't want to miss the 5th step, and if you want to continue to receive more guidance for your diabetes, then please subscribe to the channel, like this video, promote it, and I want to give you an opportunity that I've been giving in these past few videos. I have a diabetic guide, a free diabetic guide that you can have access to in the link in the description or comment section. So take advantage of that. Okay, you have any questions or you have any things that you want to cover in other videos, please leave a comment and let me know what you want to cover. I'm here for you and your Diabetes 180. Thanks for watching.